Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 5 of NEWvember. If you'd like to see my accountability day of eating for day 5, be sure to watch this video. Well, I've been out all morning. We went to a craft show, some shopping, so I just got some Dunkin'. I'm counting that as 6 points. That's my breakfast. I haven't eaten anything yet today, and it's already 2:30, so I'll just be making some lunch. So no breakfast this morning. For lunch, I had a cup's worth of brown rice and some of my leftover chicken that I made yesterday for the French dip. So that is what I'm having for lunch today. Easy and quick. I had it ready in the fridge. For dinner, I'm making some pasta sauce out of Rayo's marinara sauce, and I added some ground 96% fat-free beef and 99% fat-free turkey. And I also simmered it with some onions and carrots. And here's my dinner. 8 points for the pasta noodles, 5 points for the sauce, and 2 points for the meat. And then I had some cucumbers with some Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. So that meal is totaling 15 points. Today I baked a package of these brownies. They are sweetened with monk fruit. They are only 2 points each. This makes 12 brownies. And I'm going to frost it with some sugar-free frosting. There's the brownie serving. It is 3 points. I had added some nuts and put a little thin coating of this Creamy Supreme sugar-free chocolate fudge frosting. So that is a 3-point treat. So that's going to be the end of today's What I Eat in a Day video. Day 5 is under the belt, 25 more to go. Hopefully you get some ideas of the kinds of food I eat on the WW plan. I ended the day using 29 points today. I only got 5,000 steps and I only drank 32 ounces of water. So we got to pick up that water and those steps, because I like to get 10,000 steps a day and almost a gallon of water. So hopefully we'll step it up a little bit in the coming days. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.